Hey, aspiring coders! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's on every programmer's mind. How do you master a programming language? Stick around as we dive into some effective tips and tricks to help you become a programming language guru.
What's up, fellow coders? I'm thrilled to have you here for today's video. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer looking to add another language to your toolkit, these tips will help you conquer any programming language.
Tip 1. Start with the basics.
Every programming language has its own syntax, rules, and unique features. Start by mastering the fundamentals: variables, data types, loops, conditionals, and functions. Build a solid foundation before diving into advanced topics.
Tip 2. Practice, practice, practice.
Practice makes perfect, right? The more you code, the more you'll understand the language's nuances and quirks. Challenge yourself with coding exercises, personal projects, and coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank.
Tip 3. Read high-quality documentation and resources.
Don't underestimate the power of documentation. Dive into the official documentation and other high-quality resources like books, tutorials, and online courses. Understanding the language's official documentation can be a game changer.
Tip 4. Build real-world projects.
Put your skills to the test by building real-world projects. Whether it's a web application, mobile app, game, or utility tool, practical experience is invaluable. Start with small projects and gradually increase complexity as you gain confidence.
Tip 5. Embrace collaboration and feedback.
Don't code in isolation. Join coding communities, forums, and attend meetups to connect with other developers. Collaborating on projects and receiving feedback from peers can accelerate your learning and expose you to different perspectives.
Remember, mastering a programming language is a journey, not a destination. Stay patient, persistent, and keep challenging yourself. You've got this.
That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful on your journey to mastering programming languages. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit the bell icon for more coding tips and tricks. Until next time, happy coding! Don't forget to like, comment, hit the bell icon, and share for more coding tips and tricks. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!